Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned if you want to see how I clean my beauty blender using one super simple ingredient. The only thing we're going to be using to clean our beauty blender is water and this regular Dawn dish soap. And here y'all can see again how dirty this beauty blender actually is. It's been a while since I cleaned this, so yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start by putting the beauty blender in the water and adding in the Dawn dish soap. And then we're going to microwave for 1 minute. And so I've taken the beauty blender and the water out of their microwave, and you want to be really careful on this step because the water is going to be pretty hot. But as y'all can see, the makeup is already just like falling out of the beauty blender as I'm squeezing. And so I actually like to add a little bit of cool water in so I don't burn myself. So yeah, so I just kind of like rinse it under cool warm water, and then I just continue to squeeze and like dipping it back in the Dawn dish soap. And so yeah, I pretty much repeat this process. Just keep squeezing, dipping in the water and squeezing while it's underwater, just getting as much makeup out as you can. And after taking the beauty blender out of the microwave, I do continue to add a little bit more dish soap as I'm squeezing to just make sure I am continuing to get as much makeup out as I can. And so I actually ended up putting the beauty blender back in the microwave for 1 minute in clean water with some more Dawn dish soap, microwaving for 1 minute. And so now our beauty blender is almost completely clean. And so this is what it's looking like after microwaving 2 times for 1 minute. So as y'all can see, the beauty blender is completely clean. All of the makeup, oil, dirt is gone. So yeah, it is really that simple, you guys. So easy. Such an easy way to clean your makeup sponges. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.